going to teach you how to play the Tumbling Towers game. To play this game, all you need is a box of Jenga blocks, or I got these fun mini ones at the Dollar Tree. They're called the Tumbling Tower game. Then you're going to take each of them and write a sight word. These ones we're working on letters and sounds, or some vowel consonant words, but you can use math equations, any sight words, or whatever you're learning about. Just so you know the size of these are about the size of a paper clip, and they come in a pack of 36. I bought 2, so I had extras just in case. I like to play this game by building, by saying the letter and sound in a word, like apple. You build it. Choose another one. You could say zebra. You're going to build the tower together. Once you get your tower built, you're going to take turns choosing a block to try not to get the tower to fall. I like to use a pencil to make it easier to get it out. Oops, so I'm going to grab it. And this one is H, so I might say H, house, and then I get to keep that one. And then you take turns until the tower topples. Another way to mix this game up, if you're using flashcards or really anything that you're learning about, put them in a bowl and then take turns choosing one and then building something. Whatever you want, you can build it as high as you want, you can build it as long as you want, whatever you'd like. If you're practicing letters and sounds, you can even put them in alphabetical order, or you can use these as flashcards for really any other games that you're playing. I hope you have fun playing the Tumble Tower game.